Hello guys! Today we've got 15 of the coolest gadgets that are worth buying. We've got some arcade games for the real gamers, cool and small toys you have to see, this watch that'll blow your mind for sure. Watch to the end because we've got more. Let's go! Let's start with this smart LED projector. It has a 100-inch screen view. It is bigger than most TVs. The projector has a flagship audio level and video configurations. You can increase the light transmittance and reduce stray light. It comes with a large full HD resolution, so you can make your room a real cinema. And the coolest part is you'll no longer suffer casting shadows when walking across anymore. Get cinematic stereo sound to match the stunning display. Co-created with the leading producer of loudspeakers, Dyna Audio, the specially tuned and enhanced audio is powerful, immersive, and surrounds you with stereo sound. Cool! Control your life with this Xenxo ring. The ring comes with gesture control, so you can control the volume and change the music. You're the DJ now. You can take calls and keep them private with the private mode. The ring has 4 GB of storage, and you can even transfer data from your device to the ring. You can pay with the ring. One of the coolest features is the silent alarm. You can wake up in silence. With this gadget, you can walk safely at night because it comes with the SOS alert, and it will call for help with no delay. Set goals and achieve them, and you can connect the ring to voice assistance. This folding knife is made with a black high-carbon stainless steel, partially serrated clip-point blade. The knife has ambidextrous thumb knobs, jimping, and an index flipper. The black aluminum handle comes with jimping and a pocket clip. It has a comfortable grip, handle features textured material, and finger indentions for a secure and solid grip when in use. It is perfect for everyday carry and fits in the hand and the pocket comfortably. Finally, it features thumb studs for a quick and easy opening when one-handed or a quick deployment is needed. Everyone needs a multi-tool. This is small and can save you a lot of time. We've got one that you can carry with you everywhere. With this one, you can put it on your keychain. The dynamic ratchet beam pushes down on the bit while the side catches to ensure it is cradled and securely held in place. It's small and it's perfect to open bottles or to be your box opener. The Keychain Multitool has 7 wrenches, so you can have 7 in one and save money and time. You don't want to spend a lot of money on photography gear or cameras. We've got this ProGrip for your mobile. Now you can share your story with the world. It contains an index finger shooting with the Bluetooth button. You can switch hassle-free between landscape and portrait mode without changing your grip. Don't worry about the battery. You can charge it with a wireless charger or charge the built-in battery. You can always add more accessories and increase your quality. This small flashlight is more than you think. The Warrior Mini 2 is one of the most powerful compact tactical torches on the market. The flashlight can produce an astounding max output of 1,750 lumens and a 220-meter beam distance despite its pocketable size. It has a 2-stage tactical tail switch. Also, you can activate turbo or strobe with a single press. It's small, so you can carry it with you in your pocket. The battery has a runtime of 45 days, which is enough. A cool gadget. The Wise Guy Pocket Tool pulls no punches and complements any everyday carry setup. Sporting 3 box wrench sizes, a 1/4 inch bit driver, a cap lifter, mini pry bar, and a knuckle protector, this D2 steel pocket tool always rises to the occasion. The Wise Guy's high-quality powder coat finish comes in either dark oil bronze or gunmetal gray. The chamfered edges assure comfortable and positive grip. The Wise Guy comes with a double-ended No. 2 Phillips bit, O-rings, and a handy clear top Survival 10. Are you bored? Try this drone. It has amazing high-quality 4K footage. The new DJI motor controller will take your flight experience to new heights. This compact and intuitive device allows the aircraft to maneuver based on its natural hand motions. 150-degree FOV will provide an unrivaled view. One click can stop the drone in the air. Of course, you won't do that, maybe only in emergencies, but the aircraft will stop and hover stably within a few seconds. The M mode will guarantee you limitless control, and the S mode will give you a dynamic look at FPV footage easily. This camcorder looks like an Audi key. No one will realize what this small gadget really is. You can use it as a voice recorder or video recorder. You can start recording with only one click. The record files have time synchronization, so the records won't look awful. Once the battery is fully charged, you can record videos for 5 hours. This one is the BionicFlyingFox, and it can fly. It is ultra lightweight and it has intelligent kinematics. In flight, the animals control the curvature of the flying membrane with their fingers, allowing them to move aerodynamically and agilely through the air. The BionicFlyingFox has a wingspan of 228 centimeters and a body length of 87 centimeters, and has only a weight of 580 grams. As with the biological model, all the articulation points are on one plane, meaning that the BionicFlyingFox can control and fold its wings together individually. Do you want to bring nostalgia back? We've got you! This pocket arcade will create your childhood memories or make new ones. It's easy to use and you can build it in minutes. The pocket arcade comes with 3 games and a whole slew of throwbacks that can be downloaded for free, or you can buy a preloaded micro SD card. If you want to improve your programming skills, you can learn how to develop your own games, and you can share your games with the Tiny Circuits community. Now we've got something bigger, another gadget that will bring the 90s vibes back. This one comes with 10 USB hubs to power all your other cabinets with screen, video, and audio. If you're a total retro nerd, this is one piece of gaming history you need to have in your collection. And this is the last retro gadget on our list today. This one is 3D printed. It comes with 4 push buttons and an on and off switch, and it also comes with a tiny remote, so you can easily change channels, power on or off, and adjust the volume. The TinyTV comes in white, but is highly customizable with acrylic paint or even metallic sharpies. If you want to change some settings, it also comes with the settings menu to easily change the TV mode to loop videos or change button values if you want to use a different remote. This looks cool. This watch is made of Nixie lamps. The Nixie lamps have not been produced for over 30 years, and every year it becomes more difficult to find untouched lamps that can display the time, so you will have a rare piece on your wrist. The watch has a tilt sensor, a more capacious battery, and a magnetic charging connector too. This is the first dual-core tube wristwatch. Furthermore, the watch has 2 cores. A separate core is responsible for processing only accelerometer data. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.